Have you ever asked yourself why you are constantly tired, unmotivated, or in low mood, even on days when you are not doing much at all? Most people assume it's because you didn't get enough sleep, need more coffee, or just need to try harder, but the truth is much more complex. Energy isn't a simple thing. Let's look at three interconnected sources that affect your entire system: your mind, your body, and your biochemistry. To feel better, perform at your best, and actually enjoy your life, you need to look at all three sides of your energy. Biochemistry is your internal chemistry, your body internal systems, hormones, vitamins, blood analysis. You need to check the biochemistry of your body. Get a medical checkup. Brain is your mood, your stress, your positivity, your negativity, and your psychological energy. One of the key systems involved is called reticular formation. It decides what you pay attention to, how alert you feel, and how much mental energy you have access to. Here's something most people don't realize. You already have enough energy, but most of it is wasted. Thousands of years ago, humans needed a ton of energy to survive, to hunt, to escape predators, or endure dangerous environment. Our brains evolved to overproduce energy to make sure we stay alert and alive. But today, we don't run from wild animals. We have air conditioning, food delivery, and technology to handle most challenges. So we don't use a lot of psychological energy. We burn it on stress, anxiety, mindless scrolling, and distraction. We flood our brains with simulations like video, gossip, bad news, to-do lists, and overload the parts of the brain responsible for fear and worry. That's why so many people feel overwhelmed. So the good news is the brain produces enough psychological energy for your goals. The bad news, if you don't manage your focus, that energy is wasted. Physical condition. This includes your physical health, your body fat levels, quality of sleep, diet, level of movement, and even gut health. If you eat poorly, don't sleep well, your physical body starts dragging everything else down. Poor physical condition doesn't just make you tired, it affects your hormones, your mood, your motivation, and even how you think. It's all connected. Stress is another factor. A little short-term stress like giving a presentation or meeting your boss can be okay and even helpful, but chronic stress, that kind comes from money problems, bad relationships, and mental overload, quietly and constantly drains your energy. Here's a list of practical things you can do to reclaim your energy from all three sides. Check your biochemistry. Get your blood tested. Have a medical checkup. Take a digital detox. Your brain wasn't designed for endless notifications, short videos, and non-stop comparisons. Take a break from social media, negative news, and other low-quality content. Start with 1 hour a day with your phone on airplane mode, or go tech-free every Sunday. Give your brain room to breathe. Take care of your body. Move at least 3 to 4 times a week. Even walking is enough to help reset your body and brain. Eat real food. Add more fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. You don't need to be perfect, just aim for better. Sleep better. Focus on sleep quality, not just quantity. A consistent bedtime, no screens before bed, and dark room can change everything. Stay hydrated. Pay attention to your emotions. Track your mood, what gives you energy, what drains you, write it down. You will start to notice patterns. Cut out energy vampires, toxic conversation, negative content, and negative people. Spend more time with those who uplift you and inspires you. Choose better influences. Who do you follow? What do you talk to? What do you consume daily? Your brain absorbs everything. If you constantly feed in drama, fear, or negativity, your energy will reflect that. Surround yourself with positive influences, coaches, books, podcasts, mentors, or friends who help you grow. Clear unfinished businesses. Unfinished tasks and unresolved issues quietly steal your mental energy. They sit in the background of your mind and slowly wear you down. Don't let little things pile up. Take breaks. You are not machine. After a mentally demanding task, switch to a physical one, or vice versa. After hours of talking or working on a screen, go for a walk or lie down with a book. Small breaks can help your brain reset. Cut bad habits, or at least reduce them. Habits like smoking, drinking, junk food, or watching TV might give you a quick dopamine hit, but they rob you your long-term energy. If you can't quit right away, start reducing. Every bit helps.